Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your profile. This gets you where notification controls live. Once there, tap the three-line menu in the top right and choose Settings. If Instagram prompts you to re-enter your password or verify with 2FA, do that now so you don't get blocked from changing preferences. Make sure you're using the app, not the web, because some notification options are app-only. This ensures the next steps appear exactly as described. You'll find notifications under Settings. Tap Notifications or Push Notifications to open granular controls. Now go through Categories, Posts, Stories, Live Messages, and toggle off the specific alerts you no longer want. This prevents unnecessary push interruptions. For accounts spamming you, use Mute on their profile for stories and posts without unfollowing. Once done, review message requests and group activity settings so only essential DM alerts remain. These choices finish by confirming that your device's OS allows Instagram to send pushes. Go to iOS or Android notification settings and ensure Instagram is enabled. If your preference changes didn't take effect, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. This often resolves sync issues. Make a quick test. Ask a friend to send a message or like a post so you can verify silence. If you still get alerts, check for multiple accounts, logged in and repeat settings for each account to fully stop the notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.